Okay, section 13, part 2. We're now going to look at finding the nature of the roots and exploring the nature of the roots. So for that, we're thinking about b squared minus 4ac. Now remember that if b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is greater than 0, we know that the roots are real and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, we know the roots are real and equal. And if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we know that the roots are non-real. If we have this case where b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is greater than or equal to 0, well, we don't know if the roots are equal or distinct, but what we do know is that they are definitely real in that case. So they could be distinct, they could be equal, but they're definitely real. Now you use the discriminant when a question says something like find the nature of the roots, or prove that the roots are real, irrational, rational, non-real, real and equal. If the question says solve the equation, then you wouldn't use the discriminant. You would either use quadratic formula or you would factorise and solve. Okay, so example 1. We're going to find the nature of the roots for x squared plus 5x is equal to 3. So first of all, make the thing equal to 0 and identify a, b and c. So a is the coefficient in front of x squared, as you can see that's 1. B is the coefficient in front of x, as you can see that's 5. And c is the constant value, minus 3. b squared minus 4ac, so it's going to be 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 3. 5 squared is 25, just be careful, minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, times that by minus 3, and that's plus 12. So the discriminant is equal to 37. 37 is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and distinct. Another way of saying the same thing is real and unequal. Okay, next one, we're going to find the nature of the roots for 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So again, identify a, b and c. A is 4, b is 4, c is 1. The question is to do with the nature of the roots, so not quadratic formula but discriminant. B squared minus 4ac, so that's going to be 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 1. 16 minus 16, so d is equal to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Next one, find the nature of the roots for 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 4. So b squared minus 4ac, so it's minus 2 squared, put a bracket around it, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 4. Minus 2 squared is 4. Take your time with this, so we've got minus 4 times 3 is minus 12, minus 12, be careful, times 4, and that's minus 48, 4 minus 48, so that's minus 44. D equals minus 44, therefore roots are non-real.